Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy. I'm one of the reviewers of the Wig Studio One team. Today this piece was provided to me by Wig Studio One for the content. This is McQueen by Belle Tress, part of their Luxe collection, and this is in the color Sunset Blonde. McQueen is a beautiful style full of layers, side layers, and down into a layered bob. She has an amazing lace front, full monofilament top, and hand-tied cap, which I'll show you a little bit later in this review. She is great to tuck behind those ears. She lays so natural. She can get body. There is no permatease in this area of the wig. However, there's permatease in the nape section, which you'll see when I show you inside the cap, you'll see that. And just in that nape. But other than that, there's no permatease, but yet she can get volume. She's very lightweight, low density though. When I pulled her out of the box, I was really impressed with how light it felt in my hands. And that also has to do with this new Luxe cap design. This is a heat-friendly fiber, so we recommend at Wig Studio One using up to 260-degree temperature on this fiber. What did you guys think of McQueen by Belle Tress in color Sunset Blonde? Now you can get this with Wig Studio One. Down below is links to McQueen, also links of how you can connect with Wig Studio One and our Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It's a private Facebook group. And then down below is links to myself, Wiggin' with Christy, as well as the other reviewers to our YouTube channels and our Instagram channels. We'd love to connect with you. Have a great day. Bye.